right, so what's up, y'all? We're gonna get into the next tab, which is the video producer or highlighting tab, if you will. So on this one, I've already jumped in. We're gonna start back over, back to Twitch, because every time you jump on to Twitch and you go to one of these options, so this is your main Twitch area that you're at, but when you go to video producer mode, it's gonna almost take you to another website in a sense, but this is just its own area to customize, mess with your Twitch, and then that other first area is sort of as a viewer slash, if you're just on the main portion of Twitch. This is almost behind the scenes that lets you do things to your videos. So right here, of course, is the video producer, and as you can see, 32% of viewers that watch a highlight that might return for your live stream in a week or so. So definitely make highlights. And that's also going to just get people to see the best part that you did good on, or if you just want them to see a certain aspect of your show and you only wanted to capture that moment, people can clip it while they're live. Like I told you, that's the only time you can make a clip, or you can make a highlight yourself to showcase what you think is the best. When you go to highlight, that's when you can make it into a cut up piece of video. All these right here are one video that are just chopped up in highlight. These three dots right here are your options where you can go and edit the title, description. You can add this to a different type of collection, highlights from past freestyles. Then the rerun queue, rerun like a live episode, but it'll just show a symbol that it's being rerun. So you can download this video and chop it up in a video editing program, highlight it, which is the same as hitting this button, watch it, and export it, which you can export to YouTube is I think the main one. Delete it, of course. But when you edit something, you want to give the title something catchy that, you could do it weird or just random words that look eye-catching or what have you. Most people don't use hashtags on Twitch just to keep it towards a clean look. You can change the thumbnail of that specific video. So again, highlight, you can download, export, add to, share on social media. So make sure you're doing that with your highlights so it's not a 4-hour video you're trying to share a link to. And I mean, down here is the video URL. You can change what category it's under. English is the main language. Tag it, which doesn't really ever let me put the tags in there, but I sometimes put hashtag something in this description to give people more of discoverability, search for that specific word and find these videos that I have. Then you would go to save changes. Again, this uses Markdown, no HTML. And once you have these highlighted videos, post those on your social medias to share, because again, the discoverability is number one. So if you give people little snippets, supply and demand, if people see a little bit and they'll want more just on that little teaser, if you give them something that they feel like they would enjoy just off of that and not giving them too much. So with this, there's muted audio because anything that's copyrighted, there's an algorithm that can hear and sense that there's music that's not allowed, so it'll mute that section, or it's going to be muted in that section for the whole video. So just know that whenever you play anything copyrighted, people can see it live, but when you go for your VOD and people might want to watch it again, that part's going to be muted. That's just how it is. So you got to tell people to check you out live because that's the only time it's not going to be muted. So back to the highlighter. When you get it to this point where you have all these highlights, then export them to your YouTube as well and share those links, because a lot of people would rather watch a YouTube link than sign up for Twitch and download the app. Maybe their phone doesn't have the space. Get these things out there and get people to recognize the best parts, and most of the time they'll be willing to come through, check you out live, and then give you the time of day to sit there and interact with you on chat. Because, you got to remember, most people aren't at that point yet. Another thing I'd recommend is making an introductory video. Going back to that Capwing, like I showed you guys, the free program, that's how I made my introductory video. It's just a simple video to showcase who I am, what the schedule is, how you can find me, and what my show's about. A quick, 30-second video. And then you would hit this upload button right here. Pick that video, upload it, and then turn that as your trailer. It'll have an option to let you set that as the trailer for the show. So make sure you do one of those so people can come by and see the trailer at the top of the cover photo and then get an idea of who you are in those 30 seconds. Same with YouTube. But that's it for the video tab. And again, when you go back to Twitch, this is where it's at for that video tab. It's on the second one after channel, video producer, and then I'll go into creator dashboard in the next one. All right. But that's it. So again, I'm c.e.s with Sidetrack Sessions. Check out the stream. It's at Scessions with an C.e.s.s.i.o.n.s. I do thank everybody for watching. And if you guys like these little animations on here, there's a video up top if you guys want to check that out as to how you can put those animations on your screen as well. But twitch.tv/scessions, and peace out, everyone.